Breaking news, my lovely, wonderful people, is happening. Rivers elders declare Fubara is a hero. Martin and the National Assembly, they have failed and have destroyed an opportunity to make themselves heroes. They worked against democracy. What a nation. Things are going from bad to worse. This is what Nigeria Supreme Court has done. This is terrible. My lovely, wonderful people, you can see for yourself that things have gone from bad to worse. Everybody can actually see what is going on. And the truth of it is, we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again, then expect a different result. If Martin has attended the meeting and stayed silent, he would have made himself a hero. Not a Rivers elder has said, he said, but guess what, the decision they made just showed that they have totally completely lost it. Well, my people, let's get all the details. You see what happened in Rivers State. The governor went to the National Assembly. Wike would have told them, lock the door, let him come and meet nobody. My dear, you are deceiving yourself. Trust me, you are really sincerely truly deceiving yourself, and this is not a way to go about things. Jack Epistle has shared his thoughts on the ongoing political situation in Rivers State, stating that Martin missed an opportunity to make history by not attending a meeting called by a state governor. Whoever advised you did not advise you correctly. You missed the opportunity. Speaking in an interview with Channels Television, Epistle explained that there has been a lot of miscommunication, misinterpretation, and even denial regarding the invitation set to Martin-led assembly. He pointed out that some people believe the letter was sent privately, while others think it was only shared on social media. Epistle stated that even if Martin had attended the meeting and said nothing, he would have made himself a hero. His presence alone would have shown his commitment to democracy and peace. I think that Martin would have made history if he had attended the meeting, even if he had attended the meeting and said nothing and moved out. He would have made a hero out of the situation. I am saying this because he did not understand the implication of what he has done. According to him, the Speaker of the House must defend democracy, and attending the meeting would have been a good step in the right direction and showing that that is what he wants to do. While Epistle admitted that he does not know Martin's exact reason for refusing to attend the meeting, he suggested that the state government may have made the letter public to ensure transparency. He also added that in time of political tension, people can make mistakes, but they should not stop them from seizing an opportunity for peace. Epistle expressed that he believed Martin's decision not to attend the meeting is a missed call, and whoever is advising him is not advising him correctly. We have a nation, and the truth of it is the whole world is watching. If you decide to go against the institute that makes up our democracy, you have made a thorough fool of yourself. It does not matter if the Supreme Court have given a judgment that Nigerians can see and everyone know is politically driven and only stationed at one person. These are very, very unprecedented circumstances going on. It is terrible that people have allowed themselves to be controlled and used against the common good of the nation and for the people. This must stop. Fubara is the hero here. Whatever happens, we know that Nigeria will move forward. Well, my lovelies, it is what it is. You can see for yourself. These people have begun to see the governor, and have begun to treat him like someone who have no relevance. And it is terrible because yesterday we produced to you a video of Governor Sim Fubara getting to the very National Assembly building. And guess what? It was closed. Oh yes, it was closed. The National Assembly complex was closed. And the truth of it is, those who are doing whatever they are doing know exactly what they are doing. Whatever is going on right now is a clear indication that we cannot continue with the same thing over and over again, then expect a different result. You keep deceiving yourself, you keep showing and pretending that all is well. These are all occurrences, of people manipulating the system and wants to use Nigeria for their own personal purposes. Whatever is going on here, Nigerians, we must rise up to the occasion, and we cannot allow to see these things. We cannot afford to see these things go on like this. The days upon us are so critical, and every single person has got a part to play. Wike is manipulating, controlling, and allowing these people to go on. And everyone is quiet. Everyone is pretending, Everyone is pretending like they cannot see what is going on. Everyone is pretending. The president is in support. Those who should speak are silent. And it's really, 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 it's really, really very confusing that we keep seeing these things happening over and over and over again. And it is terrible. Those who should speak are not speaking, And the truth of it is, however these things are, whatever happened, we all must continue to make real tangible progress. Fubara and Wike, they had this coming. But guess what? These things keep telling us again and again that there are issues, okay? That, those who are supposed to be in the Supreme Court and make a decision are only are only there to serve some interest. So it does not show to us that in this country, the judiciary arm has a free arm, have a free will, and they can operate, unhindered. It goes to tell you that there is something fundamentally, sincerely, truly, truly wrong. Okay? It goes to tell you that there is something truly, really, really wrong. So unless we begin to rise up to the occasion and do not allow, these people who have made themselves, demigods, because Rivers State now is about to be captured by some people. I mean, obviously speaking, Wike and his cohort, because he controls and manages them. We cannot continue like this. So these are the things that are going on, and everybody's watching. So it is time to arise. It is time to make that progress. It is time to ensure that we all, do not allow the same thing over and over again. So rise up, my people, and let's make the real progress in order to make this nation a better place. You see? So imagine these things happening. The governor goes and nobody can even speak. The governor is ignored. Doors are shut on his face. What level of disrespect? So please leave us a comment. Let's hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a good day. From us is bye for now. Bye-bye.